The internet is going crazy over Ghibli-style images. Today, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to create these stunning Ghibli-style artworks for free. No need for expensive software or advanced skills, just one tool and a few simple steps. Before we move forward, subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll keep you updated with the latest trends that are tried, tested, and working. First, head over to Grok AI. If you don't have access yet, make sure you're logged into your XAI account. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the search bar. Now, here's the trick. Below the search bar, you'll find the Images option. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. Select the files from your computer, then enter a prompt to transform them into a Ghibli-style image. Once you start the process, Grok will begin working on it automatically. It's that simple. Now, let's wait for it to finish generating the image. And there you have it, a beautifully detailed Ghibli-style creation.